To end a cashier shift, follow the following steps. Navigate to the Accounts module and select Cashier Shifts. In the new window that appear under Cashier Shift Details, select your active cashier shift. Click on the Actions tab and select End Shift. In the window pop-up, select the number of notes, including the number of coins that you've collected in your shift from the drop-down one at a time, and click on Add button as shown. The system will automatically compute the total cash in the cash box. Then, click Reconcile. In the new window that appear under the Finalize End of Shift Reconciliation, check Transfer Balance checkbox. Then select the destination account from the drop-down. Enter the description in the space provided under the description. Please input the amount in words, ensuring it matches the numerical amount displayed above. Enter the name of the service provider in charge of receiving the cash in the designated space. Enter the comment in the provided space as shown, then click on End Shift to end the shift.